There are a lot of cool ways to make money online, but this one is automatic, okay? I'm gonna show you step by step what do you need to do, and you only need to do it once, okay? Then afterwards, it's gonna make you money on autopilot. So hit that subscribe button and let me show you the steps. First of all, we're gonna visit this web page. This page is called writer.com, okay? And you can see that this is automatic AI tool which is going to help you with writing, okay? And you can see that it creates for you high quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. But of course, you can forget about this cost. It is going to be free forever. You can upgrade as you scale, but this is going to be free until you get loads of money. You can use it for free. You can even visit the Trustpilot and you can see all about Writer. You can see that it has amazing rating. It has 4.9 out of 5, and I think I never saw something like this online. I mean, almost 5.0, and they have 1.7 thousand reviews. I mean, you know how hard it is. They also have a really good comments there. You can see Writer is great, and people are extremely satisfied with the way this website works. So this is the tool which is gonna help us. It is gonna help us, of course, to get that loads of money, okay? Writer, of course, works all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you live, you can still use it. But let's leave this for now, and let's go on to the next step. Now, I want to show you one video on YouTube, and you will see that this video is not listed on YouTube itself. You can see it right over here. Unlisted, you can see. So when you copy this and when you just paste that in the search bar, you will never find this video, I assure you. But just take a look at this. This video has 30 million views. It was posted 1 year ago, and that is a really cool option, okay? So 30 million views, and it is not listed on YouTube. You can't find it. Now, what is this? How is this even possible? Well, I'm gonna explain you guys. This is an ad, okay? So whenever you see an ad online before the video you actually want to watch, well, you're gonna see an ad, right? And whenever you see that ad, you can just right click on it and you can just click on stats for nerds. And here you will have this video ID, and when you copy this one and you paste that after YouTube watch, after the equal sign, well, you're gonna find the video itself. But otherwise, you will never find it. And this is really useful for us today, okay? So this video, which is unlisted, it has 30 million views, and we're gonna use it to our own advantage. Of course, we're gonna use it to make money with it. What else? Now, one more thing that is very interesting with these videos is that they're not made by humans, okay? If you play this video, if you find it online, you will actually see that the voiceover of it is automatic. It has been done by AI. So it is not a real human voice. It is just made with AI, and then it has been posted. Now, they use something like this. This is video.co, and you can just get the voiceover done in seconds by the robot voice, okay? It's not gonna be like human voice, it's not gonna sound great, but it's still gonna work for this strategy. So you can just try this one for free, and of course make yourself an account. And what you can do is you can just go and just take a look at this YouTuber, submit, and then you can use their free text-to-speech software. You have a lot of different options in here, and you just have to write your text in this box, and then you can choose different accents. You can even choose different languages. You can see you have, I don't know, Chinese, you have Dutch, you have, I don't know, whatever, and you have different accents in English language. So this is really easy, and I'm going to show you how you can use this to make videos like this one with the robot voice, and it's going to make you money, all right? Now, the thing with those automated like text-to-speech softwares, the thing with YouTube is that you won't be able to get monetized if, for example, you want to start a YouTube channel and then you just put the robot voice inside of it. Well, you're not going to get monetized because YouTube doesn't like mass-produced content. And those text-to-speech softwares, they fall into that category, and you might not get monetized. It is so risky, so it is not good. And of course, it won't be fair to some other users which are putting in the effort to just go and just use the software like that, okay? It won't be fair, and that means that you can't get monetized on YouTube. But there's a different way. So we call Writer to our help. Now what you can do, you can just click on start writing. Of course, just continue with Google, it's going to be fast. And then when you are on the inside, you have a lot of these options, okay? You have this explainer video, but you don't have to use it. I'm going to show you everything. So now just choose a use case. And I'm going to tell you something which is really good. Product description, okay? Product description is the way to go because you have seen that this video is also product description. It's an ad for certain products. Of course, you have a lot of these other categories. Maybe you can find even better one. You have like, I don't know, keywords, you have Google search ads, you have a lot of these categories, but let's use product description for now. Now what we have to do is we have to go to Digistore 24 where you have a lot of these digital products, and let's just keep it simple, guys. You can take this one and then you can just copy this link and you're gonna get $24 for each of those sales, and we're gonna use YouTube for that, not for monetizing. We're just gonna take the traffic from YouTube and it's gonna make us money. So copy this one and now we're gonna get the traffic for it. But firstly, Writer is gonna help us because it is gonna give us the text. So this is Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. You can just copy this or search for Google for this and it is gonna redirect you to Google where you will find some article which is related to keto diet. So for example, you can just take this and you can just copy this, go back in here, you can just click on about a product, you can just paste that, and product name is gonna be Keto Meal Plan. So just click on write for me and now you just take this one, okay? You take this and you make this into the video. Now there is a simple tool which is called InVideo.io where you can convert that text to video online. You can just turn text to video now. This is the editor inside of your browser, and then you just choose a template for it. Because this is some food, you just take a look for something with food, okay? Just have a search, and there it is. Some food is in here, restaurant promo, use template, and then you just add a headline and add that story, okay? Just add the story, one that you've got from Writer, and then you will of course just go to YouTube, guys, and you will upload those videos, okay? You're just gonna upload them. Of course, you won't get monetized on YouTube, but in the first line of the description, you are gonna paste this link, okay? You're gonna paste this link, and everyone is gonna watch that video because they wanna lose weight, and a lot of them are gonna buy this for 25 bucks for you guys. Now that is gonna be really profitable strategy. You only have to use Writer, some articles online which are free, and then you turn that text into video, and of course just get the product from Digistore 24, and this is gonna make you a lot of money. Just remember to put that in the description window so whenever someone sees the video they can click on it. That's it, guys. Take that action and I'll catch you.